Hi. I got a couple stuff from SHEIN. First thing I'm opening. Oh, this is a big shirt. Brown ribbed shirt. Let's see. This is the next thing. Oh, it's my PJ set. I wanted a cute PJ set. So I got these pants, this top to go with it. I thought I got the pink one, but I guess I got the brown one. Alright, here's the next thing. Not really sure what this is. I don't really remember. Okay. I also got, oh, okay. I was going for like a red, black and white outfit. I got this shirt. I've had this style of like sleeve before. I was just kind of worried about like the neck being like up here and not like normal neckline. I don't know, I'm nervous. I'm gonna try this on. The next thing I got is a skirt. I got this army green skirt. I thought it was so cute. I actually thought it was gonna be longer. I hate when that happens because there's times that I've gotten skirts like and the whole purpose of the skirt is because I think it's gonna be like at knee length and not like low. They end up being like midi skirts. I'm just like, because it doesn't look that long in pictures. They look so much smaller. And this one I actually thought was gonna be more like midi. The next thing, oh, I got this one to see if I liked it. I don't know why, but I was like in the mood for looking for something like this. Okay, it feels weird. I'm gonna see how this looks on me. This is kind of what I was going for as my church wedding outfit. Yes, I'm getting married. No, my birthday wedding outfit. Oh my god. My birthday church outfit since my birthday falls on a Sunday. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is an overall dress. I've never had an overall dress before. Why is it green? I don't remember getting a green one. I've always wanted some, but I've never found some that were like long enough that made me not feel like a little girl. Skirt, which I'm gonna wear with like a black turtleneck. This, I ordered this to go with this blue skirt I have. I thought it was like an interesting, weird top.
Peekaboo!
I got this late now. Oh, Christmas gift from my sister. So I actually got one of these for myself and one of them for my sister. Isn't that so cute? Like, it's a butterfly. I also got this clip right here and I got a bunch of bobby pins. Like a bunch. I'm always losing them and I need some for church to hold up my hair cover. I got two cases. These two cases. One of them is already on my phone, the other one's not. That is so cute. I love this. So this is the green and brown outfit, which I don't know, I love wearing green with brown. I feel like an Olive Garden chocolate. That's one of my favorite candies. If you want to get me some, you know. I might want to like sew these things. So I kind of like the shirt. I just feel that it's too much blue now, because this is the skirt I got this shirt for. I like the shirt, but I don't know if I'll actually wear it unless I'm wearing a black skirt. I could try to find like a burgundy to wear with. It's too low cut for me. I don't know if I rock with these sleeves that much. This itself is cute. I do like it. I wouldn't wear it with this shirt. One of these things look like it's broken. Look, it has pockets. But yeah, that's the last of my outfits. This is the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching till the end. Like, subscribe, please. It'll help me a lot.